top model, top model, top model. She's the top model, top model, top model.
She may be my lady. And the Christian ones tell them this, you know.
Top model, top model.
Every queen needs a king, so me love you, baby. Put you in your right, but not drive me crazy. Looking at your eyes and mine gets hazy. Reminds me of roses and daisies. From I met you, no one else can face me. I'm not acting, so girl, don't you play. Your conversation is so engaging. Let's cut the chase and get engaged.
Lady, there's something about you, baby, it's simply amazing. You send my heart racing. When I see you, you see me. We can get missing like goddess. I wanna be with you, get to know you, and I don't have to touch your body. When she comes in the room, everybody starts whispering. You know, man, she's that
top model, top model.
And when you open your mouth, everybody starts listening. Cause the queen was talking, every eye on you. Cause the queen is walking, yeah.
So strong, at least in the beginning. Who would have thought there'd ever be an ending? We had it all, but it's like we've run into a wall. Now we try to talk, but just end up fighting. Try making up, but there's just no denying. Just ain't the same no more. What are we putting ourselves through all this for? Talk and hear me, but you can't communicate, cause you're not listening. No, these are two different things. Now I see what it means to have been blinded by the one you love so deep. Because the very things that make me love you are the things pushing me away now. And tears we stand here with nothing left to say.
Hit that.
Listening to the sound.
Killer. It's great. Oh, watch out. Oh way, oh way.
What they can't see is your own don't need. So the next time you get a chance, tell them it's the God in me. 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 It's the God in me.
It's the devil.